Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up your Amazon Echo Pop, follow these step-by-step instructions to get started with your new smart speaker. Step 1. Plug your Echo Pop into a power outlet using the included adapter and wait for the light ring to turn blue. Step 2. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone if you haven't already. Step 3. Open the Alexa app, sign in with your Amazon account, and tap on Devices at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner and select Add Device to begin the setup process. Step 5. Choose Amazon Echo from the list of device types, then select Echo Pop as your model. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Echo Pop to your Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. Step 7. Wait for the app to confirm the connection, then customize your Echo Pop settings, such as location and preferred language. Step 8. Test your Echo Pop by saying, "Alexa, what's the weather?" to ensure it is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.